Hello and welcome to the devlog for my indie game, Tower of Light. Last episode I've started the development and created a basic tile-based system. Now I want to quickly show you the improvements I made upon the game. The first thing you can notice is that it now shows you the attack range of the characters in addition to the movement. It's a little costly since the game has to check for all attackable tiles from all possible positions in order to create this red range. But I don't think it matters that much, because it's only one calculation per click, so it won't happen that often. That said, to make things a little faster, the game does memorize who the neighbors are. That way, the calculations are a little faster after the first time. In fact, they will also memorize all tiles from a given distance once the game asks for that. So, for example, once the game asks for all squares, 2 spaces from a certain square, it will memorize the addresses of those spaces. And the next time it asks for those squares, it won't need to make the calculation all over again, at least not for that particular square. You can also notice the small green bar under the shield characters. It's a very simple one that gets redder and shorter when HP is lower. I probably need to improve this later, but it will work for now. And talking of HP, to lower the HP you'd need battles, and, well, it's also something I added. Now, after choosing where to move, the attack button will be clickable. If you choose this button, you will be able to see your attack range. And clicking at an enemy at that range starts combat. Yay! For now it only does fixed damage, and you can't miss or do critical hits, but it works. I actually had to expand the battle system quite a bit. It had a different battle system in mind. But now, as you can see, the characters take turns attacking each other. What a chivalrous bunch. Seriously though, I'm quite happy with this. It really needs a better animation than just this little push thing, but the animations will come later. And the positive of this animation is that it works in diagonal, so that's something. Worrying about mechanics is more important for now. Because of that, I started making a database using scriptable objects. Scriptable objects are, simply put, data containers in Unity. With them, I can store information about various types of assets. So, by creating a bunch of them, I can make a database of whatever thing I want. For now, I've made the scriptable objects for actors, which is what I'm calling the collection of information regarding a character, as well as weapons, items, and attack ranges. I have still to make the battle system actually read the information from the database, but that's something I have to do next. So yeah, that's all I've made for these past 2 weeks. The next thing I have to do is to improve the battle system, so I have to include the system for hit rates and crit rates, as well as improving in connecting the database. I also probably have to improve a little the user interface. And art in general. I mean, I can't be a disembodied voice forever, I think. And while I was recording this, I also noticed I can't attack while standing in the same place, so that's a bug I have to fix. Anyways, if you have a question or something like that, you can comment below. Thanks everyone, and hopefully see you next time.